Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make YouTube banner with AI. So the first step you need to do is to open ChatGPT. So once you open ChatGPT, here you need to click on start now, and here you need to write give me 3 prompts for my tech channel related to tutorials. Okay, so it is now giving us prompt, so then you need to go on to the website, that is ideogram, and you need to log in into your account, or if you not have an account you need to create your account. So let me write here, give me 3 detailed prompts for my tech related give me 3 details for my tech channel related to give me 3 detailed prompts for my tech channel related to tutorials for my tech YouTube channel related to tutorial. Give me 3 prompts for my tech channel YouTube channel related to tutorials. I want to create a banner. So it will give you a okay. So we are going to use this one. For example, come here, paste it here, select 16 into 9, click on generate. So wait for a few seconds. So you need to wait for a few seconds so that it will generate. Here you can see, or you can simply give a prompt that you like. So I am a tech YouTuber and I want a YouTube channel banner related to tech. Hit enter and it will give you more options, so you need to wait to get more options. So let's suppose uh, wait for a few seconds. So okay, now it generates. So this one looks amazing, and you simply need to click here and you can download it from here. So this is the process that you need to follow to make YouTube banner with AI. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.